Thank you for your interest in SDSI's UnForm document management solution. I'd like to take a couple minutes to share with you why UnForm is the best solution for document management. UnForm gets work done. UnForm Workflow manages the entire life cycle of documents: accounts payable, accounts receivable, human resource, contracts, manufacturing, and many other uses. With UnForm Signature Capture, you will never again lose, misplace, or misfile a signed document. UnForm is compatible across multiple industries: distribution, manufacturing, construction, retail, service industries, and more. UnForm document management is a time saver. UnForm ends the manual scanning of documents in order to save to QAD, while automatically linking all associated documents. That's a real time saver. No more manual data entry. UnForm will post data directly into QAD, saving time and money. UnForm's data extraction process saves time by automatically creating accounts receivable orders. It also extracts data from accounts payable invoices and matches against corresponding purchase orders, not only saving time, but increases accuracy. With UnForm, life is easier while saving money. UnForm connects and allows side-by-side viewing of multiple documents: purchase orders, purchase order receipts, invoices, packing slips, checks can all be reviewed effortlessly. UnForm is browser-based, on-premise or in the cloud. UnForm is easy. UnForm Document Management Solution is a full suite of products delivering a cost-effective solution. Let's recap why UnForm Document Management is the best solution to manage your documents. UnForm Document Management gets the work done. UnForm is a time saver. With UnForm, life is easier while saving money. Thank you for considering UnForm Document Management Solution. For information or an UnForm demonstration, contact Dan Schmidt.